time to lug the gear. Gotta get it on the stage. My muscles flex, my fucking sweat will save the day. When I check the mic, I fucking check the mic. I fucking check it 1, 2, 3. I plug it in, I make it sound as good as can be. When the rock is rock, but the roadies know. Cause the mic gotta take control. Gotta get that fucking up on that fucking stage. Rockies know, but the roadies know. The roadie knows that he wears black clothes and he hides off in the shadows of the stage. Because the roadie looks 1,000 miles with his eyes. And when the crowd roars, brings a teardrop to the roadie's eyes. Tears are dry. You would never know he's changing the strings while hiding in the wings. No matter how hard, the show must go on. Then a beautiful girl comes to the stage and say, "Can I suck at your dick?" I say yes, I am in love. Then she quickly said, "I sucked your dick, now give me that backstage pass. I do not want you, roadie, I want Cage's show." I'm standing on the threshold of your dreams. Without me there'll be no sound from those amps. Without me there'll be no lights on the stage for you to applaud for me. Roadie, virgin warrior searching for his soul. I am the roadie, I make the rock go.